Assalamualaikum and welcome to Norlana MC YouTube channel series Let's Go To. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you on how to use toilet in Japan. So this is how toilet in Japan looks like. Not all, but most of them look like this. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry. After doing your business, you just have to press several times on the button with the word front or rear to clean your private part. Press several times on those buttons to adjust the water pressure. If you don't want other people to hear the sound of you doing your business inside the toilet, you can press button with music icon. If you want to stop any operation, just press stop button and don't forget to press flush button on the wall. That's all for now. See you again on my next video. Thank you.